Hello, this is Benisa Bulaya reporting in for Unit 15. Um, we're looking at the National Weather Station hourly observations in Eagle, and we have our Unit 3 temperatures here. We have the black lines that represent the averages of the temperatures that were predicted by the weather station, and the red line represents the actual temperatures. As we can see that the predictions were a little off here, and it seems that the weathers were more in -10s and -20s for the days of January 25th through February 2nd. Now we are looking at the barometric pressures for the dates of January 25th through February 15th, 2015. As you can see, the barometric pressure started at about a little over 1,000 millibars, and it gradually increases by Friday, and then it starts to decline a little bit at the beginning of February. Now we're going to take a quick look at the National Weather Station hourly observations in Eagle for humidity. The dew point temperatures were in between -10 and -15 degrees, and the relative humidity seemed pretty constant at between 75%. And these are the dates of January 25th through February 2nd. Now we're going to take a look at the weather maps and satellite images for Sunday, January 25th. As we look at the area in Eagle, we see a low pressure system moving in from the east, and we have a couple high pressure systems forming in the northwest. On Thursday, January 29th, we see the low pressure system is moving more south away from Eagle and Alaska, and we have a high pressure system moving towards Eagle in Alaska, and we have a low pressure system coming in from the northwest. Here on Saturday, January 31st, 2015, we have a few high pressure systems surrounding Alaska and Eagle, and we have a low pressure system coming in from the west of Alaska, and we can see a few snow showers at the very top north of Alaska, and we have some clouds moving in as well. The visible satellite image shows the cloud coverage of Alaska, and we have our infrared and our water vapor as well, and we can see from the water vapor image as well that the cloud coverage is moving in towards Alaska. And now we're going to take a look at the National Weather System hourly observations of Eagle for our Unit 10 temperature that takes place in March 22nd through March 30th. We can see that the predictions that were made were a lot more closer. The averages for the temperatures were pretty close, and the average temperatures seem to range between 10 degrees all the way up to 50 degrees. The barometric pressure for Eagle during the dates of March 22nd through March 30th, we can see that the barometric pressure was pretty high on the 22nd of May, and towards the end of the week it declined by quite substantially. And now we're going to take a look at dew point temperatures and relative humidity. The blue line represents the dew point temperature, and the dotted red line represents the relative humidity. And they both seem to correlate with each other through the dates of March 22nd through March 30th. And on the date of March 25th, the dew point temperature was fairly low and with a high relative humidity. Now we're going to take a look at the satellite maps for Tuesday, March 24th. And we can see some clouds moving in towards Alaska. We have a couple high pressure systems moving in from the east, a low pressure system south of Alaska as well, and we can see some snow showers out in the um, ocean, and with a high pressure system moving in all the way from Russia. On Thursday, March 26th, we can see that there has been some clouds moving in all over throughout Alaska with some snow showers, and we have several low pressure systems coming in from the south into the Gulf of Alaska, and we also have a couple low pressure systems coming in from the east, and we have a lone wolf out here with the high pressure system coming in towards Alaska. On Saturday, March 28th, we see some snow and rain showers throughout this satellite image. We have more clouds that have moved in, and we have a couple low pressured systems in the south of Alaska, as well as way off towards the west. That is more towards Russia. And we have as well snow showers as well. Now we're going to look at the visible infrared and water vapor images here. These images seem to show all the clouds that have coverage that have been moving in towards Alaska, and we have a lot more cloud coverage in March than we did back in January.